Excuse me po.
Sa padaan, give way.
Kapag uutot.
May announce rin bago utot. Wow, hanip ka rin. Nandyan ba ang utot? Okay.
No.
John Rex, kailan ka nagsasabi?
Padaan.
Excuse me po.
Pag nag-burp.
Pag nag-burp, nandyan ba ang burp?
Wala.
Carl, this is your chance.
Kapag dadaan.
Mahihiraan po.
Correct, padaan. Number 1.
Nandyan na ba yan? Excuse me po.
Yes.
Carl, ano, game na to?
Play!
Let's go. Let's play the final round. The ones, okay, ito na yung Jax. Kailan ka nagsasabi ng excuse me po?
If you want to ask a question, like for example, saan po to?
Kapag may sasabihin, pag may gusto sabihin. Okay, RJ, kailan ka nagsasabi ng excuse me po?
Pag umubo.
Ubo. Excuse me po. Ah, survey says.
Okay.
Kyle, two more. Kyle, kailan ka nagsasabi ng excuse me po?
Pag dumadali.
Hatching! Kapag yun yan. Survey says.
Nice. One more to go.
Isa na lang.
Kaya namin
Kailan
to.
nakuha mo to? Pag nakuha mo to, panalo na kayo.
Kaya mo yan.
Kailan ka nagsasabi ng excuse me po, Carl, for the win? You got 3 seconds. Let's do it.
Pag-iihi.
Iihi?
Teacher, excuse
Okay.
me. May I go out?
May I go out pala. O, nandyan ba pag naiihi daw?
You got it. That's what I said. Kapag madali, you're in a hurry.
The ones, 297.
Perfect mo, ha?
293
Galing.
by 4 points. Oh my goodness.
Excuse me po, I gotta end this video. See you at Fast Money.